Hi, my name is Amanda, and today I just wanted to be going over with y'all my budget grocery haul for this week. As y'all saw from the title, I did stay under $150 for our groceries, and that included any extra toiletries in there. So I just wanted to go over that with y'all to share, give y'all kind of some ideas on what I get. Maybe y'all need them yourselves, or maybe you forget and you see this and you're like, hey, I need to go buy that. So anyways, let's get going, guys. So as y'all see from the top, I got some aluminum foil from H-E-B, of course. And then I got 2 heavy whipping creams. I actually got these from Joey's, which is owned by H-E-B, so it's about the same thing. And then I got 1 white chocolate jello sugar-free pudding. And then I also got some more pecan halves. This is a really big staple for me. Well, since I'm doing keto, I really do usually will eat these throughout the day. Not every day, but some days whenever I want a snack. I got some bread for my daughter for her lunch throughout the week. She does, take a sandwich, so this is for her, guys. And then I also got some, of course, toilet paper, because what family does not need toilet paper, right, guys? I mean, come on now. And then I also got her some Pringles, sour cream and onion, which are her current favorite. She gravitates anywhere between original and these, but these are the ones that we got her for this week. I went ahead and got some more cauliflower rice. I am like the only one that actually eats this. My husband doesn't really like it. He's also doing keto, so this is more just for me. I can usually have this whole bag last me the whole week if I needed to eat it that way. So I have that. Then I also got some regular sausage for this week. It's the andouille Cajun style sausages that I got right here that we usually use for breakfast throughout the week. And then I also got 3 green bell peppers. And then I got 2 red bell peppers. And all my produce, guys, I will get from Joey's just because they're cheaper. I usually will get my produce there and my meats there at Joey's. Then I also got some strawberries. And as well as 3 heads of broccoli for this week. And then I got some thick cut bacon, because how can you not do keto, and not have bacon if you're doing keto? You have bacon if you're doing keto, guys. Then I also got some provolone cheese because of a recipe I'll be making this week, along with some pepperoni. This again is for that pizza I'll be making this week. And then I also got 2 things of mozzarella cheese for, of course, my keto fathead dough. And then I got 2 of the broccoli cauliflower frozen bags. These I use for my husband's lunch throughout the week, just in case there's not enough vegetables left from dinner, since that is how I prepare his lunch. Some toothpaste. And then I got 4. I can't count. 4 garden salads for his lunch, because he does take a salad for his lunch every single day, so I like to make sure I get enough so that he has plenty. Some Fiji apples for my daughter's lunch. And then I also got 2 of the baby Normandy blend frozen packs as well. That way he has a variety on his lunch, so he doesn't have to have just the broccoli only. Some sour cream. Then I got a cauliflower head as well. And then these, of course, are my daughter's, the Chewy Dips Quaker bars, granola bars that she gets. This is chocolate chip dipped in more chocolate. Yes, it's not exactly healthy, but she's also 11 and she can eat it and get away with it, guys. And then I got 2 of these. These my kids love. Usually if I make dinner and they don't like it, or they're just hungry, they'll eat one of these. And so these are the yakisoba. I probably butchered that name. Ramen noodles. They're actually not even called ramen noodles. They're called something else that I can never remember. My kids know it, but I don't. So I actually have those. And then I went ahead and got some all-natural old-fashioned peanut butter smooth. So I'm going to try out this one, because this one did say that it has 2 grams of sugar for 2 tablespoons. So that's not that much. So we're going to try that out. And then I got, of course, some more pickles, because I've been getting pickles every week now pretty much when I go grocery shopping. So this is just the Pickle Me Daily ones from H-E-B, the little miniature pickles. And then I got this marinara sauce for the pizza, of course. And then some Parmesan cheese, because I need Parmesan cheese on almost anything that I make. And then we also got some more eggs. I think we actually go through about 2 to 3 cartons of eggs on a weekly basis doing keto, and then that includes, you know, on the weekends feeding our kids and ourselves. So I already had 2 in there, so I just got 1 more to add to that. So I got 1 of those. And then I also got, because you can never have enough cream cheese, 4 cream cheeses from Joe V's. I get these and I think I pay about 80 cents for them. So cream cheese is all the same thing to me. I'm not going to spend an arm and a leg on cream cheese, just that's a personal preference, guys. And then I got not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 things of mushrooms, because I've been making this really good recipe where it is mushrooms with like a cheese sauce. When I make it this week, trust me guys, I'll be filming it for you guys so y'all can see how to make it. So I did get 4 of these just because everybody in my house likes it, an exception of my youngest daughter, of course, because she hardly likes anything that I make. So I have that as well. And then we're going to go ahead and go into our meats, guys. So I have 1 thing right here of tenderloin pork chops. And then I usually get this. This is the 3 pounds of hamburger meat that I use throughout the week. And then we also have some chicken thighs right here. I'm not that crazy, but I know they're really good for keto. So I have these for this week. And then I have 3 of these just because they're super popular and they only come with so many. So I bought 3 of them, and these are just the round steak, of course, meats. And like I said, I got 3 of them because that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 meats, which is really good whenever you're trying, you know, cook for your husband and dinner as well. And then, of course, as usual, I went ahead and got 5 of these waters for my husband. He uses these for the gym, guys. The last thing I got, guys, was this sparkling water that I get for my husband as well. And this is just for his lunch he takes throughout the week. Sometimes I'll have this for his dinner. It just depends. But he does get the sugar-free flavored ones. That way he's not having sugar in them, guys. So that is it. That is all of my grocery haul for this week. Like I said, it was a budget haul under $150, guys. So I hope I was able to give y'all some ideas. And if you enjoyed this video, maybe you would consider subscribing if you're brand new here, guys. And also don't forget, if you do, to click that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every single time that I go ahead and upload a video, guys. And I will see you next time.